make this 5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl. It's a great product, definitely a must-have if you have a Kitchenaid. This is perfect. It installs onto your Kitchenaid, so it's great to have like multiples at home. So if you're baking different cakes or different, different things, this is perfect and nice and convenient. This one's actually a little deeper than the other one, so I love it. It's a perfect handle and easy to use. You just put that right on, any position. It attaches really great. Easy to wash. I've used it already, and as you can see, still perfect, nice and clean. Love it. I highly recommend it. Like I said, definitely a must-have. It's great to have multiples at home, so this is perfect, and it fits the Kitchenaid. This is a 5-quart Kitchenaid, and it fits it perfect. So highly recommend it. It's really well made, and that's it. Hope you enjoy. Bye.